Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to edit a DocuSign document in 2025. DocuSign has evolved with new features, making it a breeze to update contracts, agreements, or any important files on the go. Whether you're a business pro sealing deals or just managing personal paperwork, this guide will have you editing like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account. If you don't have one, head over to the DocuSign website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. You'll see a list of your documents. Click on the one you want to edit. In 2025, DocuSign's interface is even more intuitive, with a sleek design and AI-assisted suggestions to help you along. Now, hit the Edit button. It's usually right there on the document page. You'll enter the editing mode, where you can add, delete, or modify text fields. For instance, if you need to update a date or name, simply click on the field and type away. Don't forget the new 2025 features like auto-formatting for signatures or drag-and-drop elements for adding images. Pro tip: use the preview function to check how your document will look on different devices, avoiding any surprises later. After making your changes, review everything carefully. DocuSign now includes a smart error check tool that highlights potential issues, like missing signatures. Once you're satisfied, hit Save, and then Send to share it with others. That's it. You've just edited and updated your document seamlessly. Editing in DocuSign is all about efficiency and accuracy, so always keep backups of your original files. If you run into any hiccups, check the help section or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.